2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.